The Solatube daylighting system here at our school is absolutely amazing. Teachers absolutely love it.
Solatube's a fantastic product to work with. You get a great deal of light in the space below from such a small system.
They're a minimal opening that allows maximum daylight.
The efficiency of these tubes and the ability to collect daylight and transmit it in the classroom is incredible.
Even on a cloudy day, it's pretty amazing how much light they bring into the room.
If kids walk into a room and it's bright, right away they click in. I want to be here. This is going to be a great place. This is going to be a happy place.
I think the Solatubes help the kids' moods as they're in the classroom.
It helps the kids to focus. It gives them energy.
I'll let some of that natural sunlight come in, and it turns the whole classroom into a really peaceful environment.
It creates a calmer atmosphere in a classroom.
I really enjoy the Solatubes. Especially students who have any sensory issues will comment that they really like it, that it's quiet.
We find that bringing daylight into the classroom stimulates the mind.
Studies have shown that access to natural daylight improves learning, improves test scores, and that's what it's all about.
Teachers like to use multimedia displays and sometimes have the need to dim their classroom so that they can do that.
If I'm giving a lesson using a projector and I need the light dimmer, I have the ability to adjust the light to the need.
The daylight dimmer is a simple wall switch, so it's very user-friendly.
Every classroom that has the Solatubes has the dimming device, which is a great feature. Teachers are able to open and close the Solatubes when they want to use them.
They are state-of-the-art, and they're not hard to turn off and turn on.
And I can change the mood of the classroom from lesson to lesson.
The Solatube systems are intended to diffuse the heat so you don't get that heat coming in. So you get the light, but you don't get all the energy that goes with it.
And the tube is closed at the ceiling, so you're not losing heat up through the shaft and through the roof.
And so now the school can really take advantage of the sunlight and not have to worry about turning up the air conditioning to compensate for that additional light coming into the school.
The hole is only about 21 inches around. With the dome technology, through that minimal space in the roof, we're able to bring in quite a bit of light.
The amount of envelope that you remove to bring the Solatube down is very, very small comparatively.
You're really maximizing the daylight that you can bring in a very small roof penetration.
After Hurricane Harvey, the entire project team and the school district was extremely nervous about what kind of damage the new facilities that had just been recently opened would have sustained.
And we walked every single dome and every single tube. That's over 220 Solatube units. Not one dome cracked and not one tube leaked.
Solatubes were not an issue during the Category 4 storm.
Just getting that natural sunlight in the classroom makes it a great place to be.
It just is so fun to be able to teach in the daylight.
Sunshine makes you happy.